Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a first look at what could be one of BMW's most exciting high-performance luxury sedans yet, the 2026 BMW M9, while BMW has not officially confirmed all the specifications. Automotive enthusiasts around the world are eagerly waiting to see whether the M division will introduce a flagship performance sedan above the M8. Based on industry reports, concept rumors, and BMW's latest design direction, the 2026 BMW M9 could redefine what a luxury performance car is capable of delivering. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 BMW M9, it's clear that this machine is designed to command attention. The front fascia is expected to feature BMW's signature illuminated kidney grille with a more aggressive interpretation suited for the M division. Sharp LED headlights with laser light technology could provide exceptional visibility while adding a futuristic appearance. The sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly into the muscular front fenders, emphasizing the car's athletic stance. Large air intakes integrated into the front bumper are likely to improve engine cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Every angle of the M9 appears purposeful, balancing elegance with unmistakable performance character. Moving along the side profile, the M9 is expected to showcase a sleek four-door coupe silhouette. Flush door handles, aerodynamic side mirrors, and aggressive side skirts may contribute to both visual appeal and improved airflow management. Large, lightweight alloy wheels, possibly ranging from 20 to 22 inches, would complete the car's commanding presence at the rear. BMW designers could equip the M9 with a subtle lip spoiler, slim LED taillights, a sculpted diffuser, and the iconic quad exhaust outlets that have become synonymous with BMW M vehicles. The overall design language suggests sophistication without sacrificing the aggressive identity expected from a flagship M model. Stepping inside the cabin, luxury immediately takes center stage. Premium merino leather upholstery is expected throughout the interior, complemented by carbon fiber, aluminum, and open-pore wood trim options. BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of cabin technology, and the M9 could represent the pinnacle of that philosophy. The dashboard may feature BMW's latest curved display system, combining a fully digital instrument cluster with a large central infotainment touchscreen. The operating system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Voice, commands navigation with augmented reality functionality, and over-the-air software updates. Comfort is likely to be a major focus as well. Multi-contour heated and ventilated seats with massage functions could provide exceptional support during both spirited driving and long-distance journeys. Rear passengers may also benefit from executive-class accommodations, including premium materials, climate controls, and additional entertainment features as a true flagship performance sedan. The 2026 BMW M9 is expected to deliver breathtaking performance, although official specifications remain under wraps. Rumors suggest that BMW could utilize a highly enhanced version of its twin-turbocharged V8 powertrain combined with hybrid assistance. Power output could potentially exceed 700 horsepower, allowing the M9 to compete directly with the most powerful luxury performance sedans on the market. BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system would likely distribute power intelligently between the front and rear axles to maximize grip and driving enjoyment. Acceleration figures could place the M9 among the quickest sedans in the world. A sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3 seconds would not be surprising given the expected power output. Top speed may be electronically limited, with higher performance packages offering increased limits for track-focused customers. Driving dynamics have always been a defining characteristic of BMW M vehicles. The M9 would likely feature adaptive suspension technology, capable of adjusting damping characteristics in real time. Drivers could select multiple driving modes that alter steering response, suspension firmness, throttle sensitivity, and exhaust sound profiles. Carbon ceramic brakes may be available for buyers seeking enhanced stopping power and reduced brake fade during high-performance driving situations. Rear-wheel steering technology could also improve agility at lower speeds while increasing stability during highway cruising. Safety and driver assistance technologies are expected to play a significant role in the M9 experience. BMW may include features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, parking assistance systems, and a 360-degree camera setup. These technologies would help ensure that the M9 remains practical for everyday use, despite its extraordinary performance capabilities. BMW understands that flagship luxury performance vehicles must excel in both excitement and convenience. Storage practicality is another area where the M9 could impress. Despite its sporty coupe-like roofline, engineers are expected to optimize cabin space and trunk capacity to accommodate the needs of modern luxury car buyers. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary concern for customers in this segment, but hybrid integration could improve overall efficiency while enhancing performance. This approach aligns with BMW's broader strategy of combining electrification with dynamic driving experiences. Customization options are also expected to be extensive. Buyers may have access to BMW individual paint finishes, unique interior color combinations, specialized wheel designs, and numerous performance upgrades. This level of personalization allows owners to create a vehicle that reflects their individual tastes. Now, let's discuss pricing. Since BMW has not officially announced the M9, exact pricing remains speculative. However, considering its expected positioning above the M8 competition, industry analysts predict a starting price between $150,000 and $180,000. Fully equipped examples, featuring BMW individual customization packages and performance enhancements, could potentially exceed $200,000. While this places the M9 firmly within the premium luxury segment, buyers would be receiving a vehicle designed to compete with the finest high-performance sedans available. If BMW ultimately brings the M9 into production, it could become one of the most desirable vehicles in the company's history. Combining breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, exceptional craftsmanship, and everyday practicality is no easy task. Yet BMW's M division has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to achieve that balance. The 2026 BMW M9 represents the possibility of a new flagship performance icon for enthusiasts seeking supercar-level acceleration wrapped in a luxurious and practical package. This upcoming model may be worth the wait. As always, remember that many of these details are based on industry expectations and unofficial reports until BMW provides official confirmation. Nevertheless, excitement surrounding the potential arrival of the M9 continues to grow among automotive enthusiasts worldwide. What do you think about the 2026 BMW M9? Would you choose this high-performance luxury sedan over its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.
Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find